what we have here is a Hampton Bay Carriage House Swan. This is installed my uncle's house in one of my cousin's bedrooms. She's not here today, so I'm able to record it. This fan came with the house. This is one of the two of the 4 ceiling fans in this house that came with the house when we bought it. This fan's a Hampton Bay first generation carriage house. It's childhood because I used to have a babysitter which has a carriage house in wine glass. And the glass is very different. Yep. Still the same fan. Right, I'm gonna demonstrate the light. Unfortunately, this one's not a 3-way pull chain, but it's only, usually carriage house came with 3-way pull chains. Unfortunately, this one does not. So I'm sorry. If you want to see 3-way pull chains, I don't think it can happen for this carriage house. And I'm gonna bump it too low. This fan is from the early 2000s, late 90s. It's definitely like before 2003. It's the only Hampton Bay ceiling fan in this house. So yeah. Yep. Now let's crank it up to medium. This house kind of changed since last time. Medium's fine. Well, now let's go to high. Alright, high speed is fast, but goes roughly 170 RPM, 180 RPM. Not as fast, but it's kind of average fast. It's one of the nice Hampton Bay fans. Cousins I might. It's making weird noises. Doesn't get a lot of air. Oh shit. This is where they kept it on. Actually, we keep the light on. Fan's okay. Not the best. Bye.